Hey guys, so I just got back from Home Depot looking for something to cover this part with, and look at what they make. I don't know if you can read that, but that says a mending plate to mend your stupidity. So let's get that put on. All right, so there we go, in place. Good. Now I just need to sand off and repaint some of that, what is it called? The wood filler, and I'm good to go. Oh, I need to erase some of those pencil lines too. Alrighty, here we go, finished project. I don't know if you can hear me because of the lawnmower, but there is the finished project.